Hello everybody and welcome to Excel video 306. I'm Nate Moore. Spent some time this morning with a group who wanted to pull all of their physician scheduling information into Excel and pivot tables and analyze all kinds of things about who's where and when and no-shows, all that good stuff. When you're ready to talk about your physician scheduling and really understand it, let's talk. What we're going to do today is go back and show values as, instead of difference from, I want to show you running total in. And it says, all right, what's the base field? Again, we're looking for a baseline. What are we basing everything on? And primary insurance works for me for this example. So I'm going to click OK. And let me see if I can show you what's going on. And it might be easier to see if I pulled bill charges down here again the second time and put it on the top of the list. Now let's get out of here. And then I am going to cheat. This does not work. When you really need to format things, don't do it this way. Go to value field settings and do it right. But for the short term, this will at least let us see the data better. What we're doing for running totals is see how Medicare is 2.2 million. That's my running total. Then 2.2 plus 2.1. That's my 4.4. Add 6. That's my 10. See how I'm creating a running total here that as I get to the total here, that 15.4 million, I get the same 15.4 million here. I can do a running total as I go along here. The other thing that I can do is I can come over here, back to the pivot table options menu, sort Z to A, and I can say Blue Cross is the big piece, then I'm going to add the patient, Medicare, and then all the way down to Medicaid, or I could do it the other way and build from A to Z instead of from Z to A. See how I'm getting a running total here, and you don't have to show the actual amounts here, and it just helped me to kind of show you what I was doing, and we did it for 2010 and for 2011 as well. This is running total. A percent running total looks like this. And again, we're going to base it off primary insurance. So I'm going to go 1.25% of my business is Medicaid, 6.89% is Medicaid and Cigna, 21% is these three payers and all the way up. And again, you could go something like this and say, hey, 40% of my business is Blue Cross, and 80% of my business is made up of Blue Cross, self-pay patients, and Medicare patients, say. See how all I'm doing is using this column here to do a running total or a percent running total. Again, you don't have to have this, but it just helps to kind of see what's going on, and you can quickly and easily see, all right, what do I have to analyze to get 80% of my practice? Or what do I have to analyze if I want to get at least half of the payers or half the CPT codes or whatever? We'll use these running totals to help us get those numbers. That's what I wanted to show you today. Stay tuned next time. There's yet more stuff in the show values as. We'll keep going with that next time. Thanks for watching.